What's going on YouTube? Have you ever wondered what type of location services all of the apps on your iPhone are using? We're going to show you that in today's video. Stay tuned. Alright, now that we're over here at the computer, the first thing that we're going to want to do is navigate to the settings. As you can see, I've got a live cast or a live feed of the phone just like usual. And we're going to find the settings and we're going to left click, or we're not going to left click, we're going to click on the settings. We're going to tap on that. And then you're going to want to scroll down and find the option that says privacy. As you can see right here, it's in the middle of my screen. I'm going to click on privacy, and this is going to take us into the location services of this particular iPhone. And at the very top, you can set the location services. You can toggle it on and off by just clicking the little toggle. Obviously, if it's green, it is on. And then underneath it, it will show you what type of apps or anything like that are using that location, such as like the system services, the Siri and dictation. And again, if you want to turn it off, just toggle it once again. And it's going to say location services will be disabled for all apps, but your personalized location services settings for apps will be temporarily restored if you find my iPhone to enable the lost mode. So it's pretty cool. Even though the location services are off on the phone, you can still use the Find My iPhone and have it work. So I'm going to continue to click on turn off, and then we're going to go ahead and click on privacy in the top left corner, because this is going to take us back to all of the apps that are currently using the location services, and it's going to list which ones are using what. So I'm just gonna, what's a good one that we would use? Motion and fitness, that's a good one. So you can see right here where it says fitness tracking, and then it has the health. They have these switches toggled on, indicating that it is using the location services in order to track the steps and things like that. If you don't want that on, such as I may not want the on because I don't want the phone to judge me on how many steps I've taken today, I'm going to toggle those off. And you can see once we've toggled them off, they have gone away on the thing. So that's just a quick rundown of how to go through and find which apps are actually using the location services, and then of course how to turn the location services as a whole, as a global, on or off. And that is all there is to it. That wraps up today's video. Just a quick question of the day before you go. What kind of iPhone videos would you like to see on the channel? Leave your answer in the comment section below. And of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe and the bell notification for future notifications, and we will see you on the next one.